Ideal Real Estate Brokerage Services, a premier real estate marketing company. Sydney Mall on the Mar.
Welcome back to our channel, Dreams Ideal Realty. And as promised, I'm giving you a quick house tour here in one of the most popular house units here, the Victoria House model. Okay, let's check. It's already 5:45. Okay, let's check. So this is our one-car carport. Open. We have a storage over here. Victoria House model has 120 square meter lot. Okay, so basically this post, this is your dividing line boundary between that house and this house. Okay, and the good thing about this Victoria is ready for occupancy already. Okay, so let's check the lot size. So from that post up to here, so basically this will be your boundary at the back. 34. So for the meantime, this is the boundary. Okay. It's locked. So you can use this as your dirty kitchen or your laundry area. So this is your boundary on this side also, because Victoria House model is single detached. So this is your space in front. So this is 120 square meter lot. And for the floor area, it's 75 square meters plus the balcony. It's already dark. Hindi kinaya kanina ng cellphone. So when I'll use director's cut. So let's check. Because it's already 6 o'clock. Wala pang ilaw kasi because kayong mag-a-apply if you will buy this property. So this is your living area, dining area, your kitchen. So you can renovate this. You can put the kitchen outside like this one. You can see they do have dirty kitchen outside. So that's your boundary. Sara natin at nagsa-sound sila. Yan. So this is your bedroom, one bedroom here. Downstairs with built-in closet. This is good because this is ready for occupancy already. That's your powder room. One step to the powder room, and then let's go upstairs. Ganda ng railing, wood and steel. So bungad, that's your comfort room, toilet and bath. Bedroom number 1 with built-in closet. Yan. Then bedroom number 2. This bedroom number 2 is it's not so big, so you can convert it to be your closet. Yan, so that's the common toilet and bath, and this is now the master bedroom. with built-in closet again. So that's in front of you. Athena house model. So let's check the balcony. This is your toilet and bath. And this is your balcony. Yan. Ito po mismo yung RFO, ready for occupancy. This is more than 6 million and it is through bank financing. What's good now is that you will have it's 15% down payment. Before it's 20%, so it's more affordable now for the monthly down payments. So this is your view. Ang ganda ng ginawa nila sa Athena, oh. They enclose the balcony. That is the regular Athena, but the owner of that Athena, they improved their unit. So see, they enclosed it. That's nice. Nice. So you can also do that here. You can also enclose this one once it is already turned over to you. Okay, so that's it for today. For Victoria House model, we have 4 bedrooms, 1 at the ground floor and 3 in the second floor, and with 2.5 toilet and bath, 1 carport. Okay, if you want to know more, you can message me. And for the whole tour of Tierra Verde, I will have the link posted in the comment box. Until next time, thank you, bye.